Today we will be learning about parabolas, standard to general form. Today's equation is y plus 6 squared equals 8 parentheses x plus 3 parentheses. Alright, the first thing you'll like to do from changing a parabola from standard to general form is write the y plus 6 twice, because right here is y plus 6 squared, so all you have to do is just write it twice. And you could just bring this down right here. And after you do that, you'll have to foil both of these out like that and like this. So then y times y equals y squared, and then y times 6 equals 6y, positive 6y. And 6 times y equals another 6y. And then 6 times 6 equals 36. You have 8. You have 8x from 8 times x equals 8x. And then 8 times 3 equals 24. There you go, right there. Now you'll like to combine your like terms. So from combining, you'll have to combine. Alright, y squared, it stays because you have nothing to combine with. You have plus, these two will combine to make 12y. So you have y squared plus 12y. You have plus again, you'll have plus 8x. Because you're moving it from that side to make put it back in the general form. You have 8x. You'll have plus 60. The 60 came from right here, 36 and 24. You add those together and you'll get 60 equals 0. See, that's how you change parabolas from standard to general form. And today we'll be learning about parabolas, how to turn them from general to standard form. Today's equation is y squared plus 8x plus 12y plus 60 equals 0. The first thing you would like to do with this equation would like to group all your y's together. And leave a space right here. It'll come in handy later. Then you'll write everything else on the outside of it. Alright, now you'll want to get rid of all of this first. So you'll want to have minus 8x and minus 60. And you'll move over to this side. That's minus 60 minus 8x. And then after that, you'll have this you have to deal with. You'll divide 12 by 2 and you'll get 6. Then you have to do 6 squared, which equals positive 36. Alright, so you have all that. And then it'll probably be better for you just go ahead and rewrite your equation. You won't have all that work in your way and stuff. And then go ahead and just write it like that on this side. And then you would like to see this 6 right here, it will come in later. But it's plus 36, you will want to move it over to this side. On the other side of the equal sign. Then once you do that, then you'll just have to finish this part. So after you do that part, you'll have, on this side you have y plus 6. The 6 coming in from right here. 6 squared equals negative 8x. Then you have to add 36 to negative 60 and you'll get negative 24. Alright, then after you do that, you'll find the greatest common factor to go into 24. The greatest common factor for both of them would be 8. To divide both sides by 8. And then you can go ahead and write this because you will not change this side. Just leave that squared and it equals, you put the negative 8 on the outside because that's the greatest common factor. Then inside you'll put x, because the 8's cancels out right there, so it'll be x. Then it'll be plus 3 because it's two negatives. Plus 3. Then that's the answer for how to change parabolas from general to standard form.